Hi, I'm Sunmeet. I just wanted to make a short video on the intention ceremony, what is it, and what to expect out of it. So, I've personally attended these intention ceremonies 3 times, and I've benefited so much from it. Though we have a lot of ideas in our mind as to what we, want to manifest in the new year, our goals for the new years, our resolutions. We've been doing that since childhood, but this process, this ceremony actually puts everything into action. We write everything down, we write our goals, we find evidence, we burn our past traumas by a burning bowl activity. Then we bifurcate our goals into different areas of our lives. We write about all of them, we plant the seeds of our desire, and there are lots of interesting activities that are planned. It'll take 2 to 2.5 hours. We are doing this on the 8th of January from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. Why so early in the morning? Because that period of Brahma Muhurta, that early morning period, is absolutely magical. So if you keep your spine erect at that time, if you write, and writing is a very subconscious activity, so we actually write everything down. It is not enough to have everything here intellectually. You need to write stuff to make it manifest into your reality. So we raise our vibes with all the activities that we are planning. We're going to slowly raise our vibe, and in the end we'll be in that vortex of attraction, vortex of manifestation, and that is where the magic happens. So do join me on the 8th of January, and let's create magic and miracle together. Thank you.